Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, peace and prosperity to us all. First of all, I express my praise and gratitude to God Almighty for the opportunity given so that I can present the results of my thesis proposal properly. To the Honorable Mr. Puji Wahono as my first advisor lecturer and Mr. Christian Widadandiwolor as my second advisor lecturer who patiently guide me in preparing this proposal. Let me introduce myself. My name is Romaulina Agatha Aurelia with student identification number 17096200084, student of Office Administration Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. On this occasion, I would like to present my thesis proposal entitled The Effects of Parents' Socioeconomic Status and Learning Motivation on Interest in Continuing Education to College in 11th grade students at SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta. The topics that I will present are Chapter 1 is Preliminary, Chapter 2 Literature Review, and Chapter 3 Research Methodology. Research background. Education is very important for a person or group of people for their future. That's why everyone needs to have an educational background. If a person has a high education, it's possible to get a job and a good life. In the midst of globalization currently, competition for job opportunities is becoming more intense. As a result, everyone needs to have abilities and skills that can be competitive with domestic and foreign workers. Based on BPS data for 2020 to 2021, the highest employment rate is for SMK graduates. For this reason, SMK graduates need to improve the quality of their knowledge and skills in preparation for a decent job. Unfortunately, based on the results of pre-research conducted to 30 students of SMKN 22 Jakarta, they decided to work after graduation instead of continuing their education to college. This is influenced by parents' socioeconomic conditions that are inadequate and low motivation to learn. In addition, there are differences in theory, respondents, and research objects, resulting in research gaps that make the author interested in research again with the title The Effect of Parents' Socioeconomic Status and Learning Motivation on Interest in Continuing Education to College in 11th grade students at SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta. Pre-research results. The results of the pre-research by 30 respondents are shown below. In the first figure, it can be seen the students prefer to work compared to being an entrepreneur and continuing their education to college. And the factor that caused respondents not to be interested in continuing their education to college are the socioeconomic status of parents and learning motivation, which can be seen in the second figure. Problem statement. The problem formulation in this research is, first, is there an effect of parents' socioeconomic status on the interest in continuing education to college for 11th grade students at SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta? Second, is there an effect of learning motivation on the interest in continuing education to college for 11th grade students at SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta? And Third, is there an effect of parents' socioeconomic status and learning motivation on the interest in continuing education to college for 11 grade students at SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta? Research objectives. The research objectives of this research was, first, to determine the effect of parents' socioeconomic status on the interest in continuing education to college for 11 grade students at SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta. Second, to determine the effects of learning motivation on interest in continuing education to college for 11 grade students at SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta. Third, to determine the effects of parents' socioeconomic status and learning motivation on interest in continuing education to college for 11 grade students at SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta. Research benefits. The research is expected to provide benefits both of theoretically and practically. The theoretical benefit of research are that it can be a reference for further research and can add insight into science, especially regarding the socioeconomic status of parents, learning motivation, and interest in continuing education to college, which can be used as literature. And the following are the practical benefits of research. For the author is knowledge, literature, and reference. For Jakarta State University is materials for consideration in policy making. For school and teachers is can be applied and utilized to provide information about college. For students is helping students to increase their interest in continuing their education to college. And for readers is literature regarding interest in continuing education to college. Theoretical foundation. The main theory regarding this research is the socioeconomic status of parents. According to Atika and Rashid, 2018, socioeconomic status is referred to as the level of possession of individuals that depends on their capacity to meet daily living expenses through the income achieved. The author summarized the indicators of parents' socioeconomic status according to several experts, which are parents' educational background, parents' income, parents' occupation, and facilities owned by parents. Next, the main theory regarding learning motivation. The definition of learning motivation according to Sadirman in HRP et al. 20 and 22. Learning motivation is a force from within students that trigger learning activities, provides direction, and ensures the continuity of learning activities so as to achieve the goals desired by the individual. The summary of learning motivation indicators from experts includes the desire to success, the existence of motivation and needs in learning, the existence of hopes and ideals in the future, the existence of rewards in learning, and a conducive learning environment. Furthermore, the main theory of interest in continuing education to college. The definition of interest in continuing education to college, according to Mufida and Effendi, 2019, interest in continuing education to college is a person's ambitions to improve their abilities and skills by continuing their education to college, so that they can be competitive in the workplace. The conclusion of the indicators of interest in continuing education to college from expert includes a sense of pleasure to enter college, an interest in information about college, a focus of attention, and a need to continue education to the desired college. Relevant research. Next, there are several relevant research on the variables of parents' socioeconomic status on interests in continuing education to college, learning motivation on interest in continuing education to college, and parents' socioeconomic status and learning motivation on interest in continuing education to college. Next is the framework of thinking and hypothesis development. The framework of thinking in this research can be seen in the picture below. X1 is parent socioeconomic status, X2 is learning motivation, Y is interest in continuing education to college. The arrow is the direction of the relationship from each variable X to Y, and the dotted line arrow is the direction of the relationship x1, x2, and y. The development of this research hypothesis include H1 is there is an effect between the parent social economic status on the interests in continuing education to college for 11 grade students at SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta. H2, there is an effect between learning motivation on the interest in continuing education to college for 11 grade students at SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta. And H3, there is an effect between parents' socioeconomic status and learning motivation on the interest in continuing education to college for 11 grade students at SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta. Next, the research methodology. The time of this research starts from October 2023 to February 2024 at SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta, located at Jalan Raya Condet, East Jakarta, DKI Jakarta. The reason I chose this place is because I found that there are some students who have no interest in continuing their education to college. As we know that SMK education is focused on getting a job, so students like information about the world of college. This research method uses a quantitative approach. Data collection uses a questionnaire with a Likert scale model and a rating scale. The reason I chose the quantitative research method is because this method tends to be more efficient in terms of time and cost. The data collected is in the form of numbers that can be measured and analyzed statistically so that the research results are more accurate and can be generalized, and the research steps are plain, systematically structured, and procedural, making it easier to implement and supervise the research process. The population of this research is the 11 grade students of SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta, as many as 281 students, and the research sample was 165 students. Data collection technique. The data collection technique in this research used a survey method by distributing questionnaires to respondents. Data analysis technique. The data analysis technique in this research was carried out using regression model parameter estimation. Data processing using the SPSS program with a sample size of 165 respondents. That's all for my research proposal presentation. Thank you for attention to Mr. and Mrs. Lecturer Examiners and my advisor lecturers who have guided me to complete this proposal research well. Good morning, good afternoon, good night.